Find it pretty and somewhat hypnotic.
That too, sir.
Right. Rico. Manual. Problemo solved.
Sir, we may be out of fuel.
What makes you think that?
We've lost engine 1. And engine 2 is no longer on fire.
Buckle up, boys. Don't look dull.
This might get hairy.
Attention! This is your captain speaking. I've got good news and bad news. The good news is we'll be landing immediately. The bad news is we're crash landing. When it comes to air travel, we know you have no choice whatsoever. But thanks again for choosing Air Penguin.
Raise your arms, Maurice. It's more fun when you raise your arms like these. I can fly.
This could be it, Marty. I just want you to know you were truly a one in a million friend.
Thanks, buddy. You're the best ever.
I know you won't mind when I tell you.
Come on, tell me anything. Tell me what.
I broke your iPod.
What?
The buttons were so small. It made me mad.
The horror.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna kill you.
It was an accident. It was an accident. I'm sorry. Get you do it.
I love you, Gloria. I always have. Like you love the beach, or a good book, or the beach.
My goodness, doll, you're shaking like a leaf. Rico, you've had your fun. Pull up. Gear down. Gently now, you just want to kiss the ground. Just a little peck, a smooch like you're kissing your sister. I said kiss it. Now just a little break. Just a touch. A little whisper. I believe that's checkmate. Commence emergency landing procedure. Flaps up. Deploy.
Oh, we're here. What in the world? What happened to the plane?
I'm okay.
What did y'all do to the plane?
Just crashed. I'm okay. I'm alive.
See, I can't even sleep for a minute.
Wow.
And you know what? This is not JFK.
Kowalski,
I don't think.
casualty reports.